Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power on and confirm the device has 50% battery and a network connection. Once done, confirm the exact Google account email that was registered. This matters for factory reset protection. Make sure you remove any SD card or SIM to protect removable data. You are doing this because the privacy protection password cannot be recovered. Only a full erase will clear it. Keep the device plugged in, and make sure you know the original account to avoid lockout later. You will boot into recovery mode using the manufacturer key combo, commonly volume down plus power or volume up plus power. Hold until the bootloader appears. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to navigate and power to select. Highlight wipe data / factory reset and confirm. You must accept the prompt. This erases user data and the privacy protection password. Wait patiently until the process reports data wipe complete or similar. Then choose Reboot System Now so the device can restart as if new. After reboot, you will walk through Android setup. Make sure to sign in using the original Google account credentials. Otherwise, factory reset protection will prevent access. Once signed in, restore settings and apps from Google Backup or set up as a new device if you prefer. If you encounter an FRP lock because you do not have the prior account, contact the device maker or use Google's account recovery. This is the key troubleshooting path. If that fails, reach out to authorized service for proof of ownership assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.